Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. You might notice that I sound sick. Yes, I am sick, but I am at the point where I'm leaving to go I'm going to be working and I'm going to have no time to film. So I'm going to be filming while sick. So I apologize. I hope you still watch. It's just because it'll be over a month before I have a chance to film again because of the job I'm doing. I'm going to be in a dorm with dancers 24/7. So no time to film. Don't really want to take all of my stuff there either. Don't want to do that. So today I have my Macy's and I also have my Ipsy. The Ipsy came earlier than usual, so I'm very excited about that. But let's start with Macy's because I think that's what I normally do. Plus this one, it came and I had a blowout in it. There's a hole and two of the items are outside. So this month they did give a 10 off of 40, which I think is a great deal. And I'm very excited that they decided to give us 10 off of 40. It's a much better deal in my opinion. Even though it's the same, it's just I'm more likely to find something that's $40 or more than I am to find something that's $20. It's really hard to find things that are $20 in the beauty at Macy's. So first up is from Kiehl's. This is the Ultra Facial Cleanser. I think I've used this before. It's just a fine cleanser. It's nothing super special. I'm not a big Kiehl's fan. This is the Better Screen UV Serum. So this apparently is a sunscreen. I think they want you to think that it's a sunscreen, but there is no SPF listed anywhere on this, so we'll just use that as a regular old serum. Then we have the Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. Now this one, I'm pretty sure I remember it being good and I liked it, so that's probably my favorite thing so far. It appears that everything in here is Kiehl's, so yeah, you can see the hole where things are falling out. This next one is quite large. This is the Truly Targeted Acne Clearing Solution. It's a 2% salicylic acid acne treatment, which I will definitely use. I have acne, unfortunately. Yeah, that looks good. I will definitely use that, so probably finish that before the end of the year. Then we have an Ultra Facial Cream from Kiehl's. This is just fine. I've had it before. And then there's the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Okay, so some things that I've tried, some kind of staples from Kiehl's, some things that I haven't tried before. Nothing that I'm super excited about. I'm kind of disappointed that there's no perfume sample because that's my favorite. I like having that perfume, but not a terrible box altogether. Let's move on to Ipsy. So Ipsy, I do have the little card here. It says sunny days ahead, and it does have the items in there, so that's always good. First up is a brush from Chica Beauty. This looks like a pretty good brush. It looks like one that I like, a little smaller than I normally use, but I will definitely use that. Let's get prices. So that retails for $10. Then we have something from First Aid Beauty. This is the Brighten and Glow Moisturizer with Vitamin C. And this looks like it's kind of a tinted moisturizer, and its full size is for $44 for 1.7 ounces, and this is 0.34. Then we have Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. That doesn't sound too great to me. Full size is $25. That's 180 mils. So this is 30 mils. I'm not normally a big fan of cleansing milks, but I'll give it a try. This is what I chose. This is from Yensa. This is the Super Serum Foundation in Fair 3. That was the only color that they gave me a choice for. But I thought, I'm going to try it. It might be a little too light, though. I think it might be a little too light. Ooh. We will put it on skin and see what it looks like, but yeah, it might not. I don't know. I think I have the foundation that's maybe a little too dark, but I still think it's going to be a little too light for me. I feel like they're making fairer and fairer things, and even though I'm fair, they are out-fairing me, if that makes sense. The full size of that retails for $45 for a 30 ml, and this is 10 mil, so it's a third of the size. Final thing that I got is from Formula Z. It is the Glamgasm palette. Why do we need stupid names like that? I'm sorry. That is one of the reasons why I didn't buy any of the Oud fragrances from Kayali, because I was just like, can't stand the name. This is apparently a full-size palette for $32. I would not pay $32 for this. It's plastic. It's pretty cheap feeling. Like, it feels like drugstore quality packaging. Let's swatch a couple. That was kind of soft. I did the large one there. We'll do the green because that's kind of like the standout shade. Do a couple of the mattes. We'll do that brown. And let's do like this pinky shade. Yeah, that's pretty patchy. You can't see the first one that I put down here like at all. The brown is okay. Maybe if like, well, yeah, you can rub it in, but it went on patchy initial swatch. Same thing with the peach. So not something I'm crazy about. I will give it a go, but not the best. So who do I think won this month? Maybe Ipsy. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try the cleanser, but I'm not super excited about the cleanser. The eyeshadow palette was kind of, the color story is all right, but I was kind of disappointed in swatching those. Maybe they'll perform better on the eyes. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Moisturizer. I'm not a big First Aid Beauty fan. I know people really love them. I just find them to be okay. This I was excited about because it was my choice, obviously. It wasn't, I say that I was excited, but it was kind of like the thing that, in the choice that I was, that I didn't want the least. Does that make sense? I wasn't crazy about any of the choices. Probably the brush is my thing that I'm the most excited about, and I don't need any more brushes, but I think this will be a good brush. Kiehl's, all of the stuff from Macy's. This feels weird. It's a better screen UV serum. What does that mean? Visibly correct fine lines, uneven skin tone, and dull skin. Feels kind of like a scam. Cleanser, basic, whatever. This one I'm probably the most excited about. So maybe Macy's won, actually. This sounds like an interesting mask, and I'm pretty sure I liked this eye cream. I need to try it again. I will go and look back on what I said, because I know I used it in a sample Saturday at one point, and I don't think it's one that, I know I had a reaction to a couple eye serums. I don't think it was that one, eye creams. So maybe Macy's, I don't know. I don't feel like either one of them was super exciting this month. I forgot to talk about the bag. I don't know what's going on with this bag. It's kind of funky. The material's kind of nice. It's like not quite neoprene, but kind of that type of material, but I don't know. Meh, this month. Let me know if you were more excited. Maybe it's just because I'm sick that I'm not super excited. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.